everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Fortune Cookie Soap unboxing. Fortune Cookie Soap offers two subscription plans. The first subscription plan is you can pay $19.99 for 4 months and you get a box every season, or you could get the monthly plan, which is $28 and you pay by the month and you get 1 box per month, but you also have the option to opt out if the theme or the sneak peeks that leak out that just don't suit your taste of what you need, or you might have too many soaps, bath bombs, lotions. I don't know how that's possible. Anyway, if you're not just feeling that month, you can skip it. I have the monthly plan just because I was never able to get on the quarterly plan because it sells out pretty quick and there's always a wait list, so I was just like, let's get the monthly plan, and I haven't skipped a month yet. I've actually really liked the variety of products that have been offered each month. You get soaps, lotion, fragrance, spray, bath bombs. I even got some candles before, body butter. Really good variety of products that you can get in your subscription box, and for $28, these boxes are really good value. But before we jump into the unboxing, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to be notified for any future videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's jump in. Alright, we're open. Ooh, princesses and villains. I never open up my Fortune Cookie Soap emails except for the ones that say your order has shipped, because I want it to be a surprise when I open up my boxes. It is very tempting because I know Fortune Cookie Soap earlier this month released an inspired Bob's Burgers theme, and I was just like, why can't it just be the sub? Make it into the sub, because that sold out really fast and I did not get any items. Anyway, this month's theme is the princesses versus villains. I'm really excited to see what products are inside because I have not taken a peek at any of these products. Oh my gosh. So this is what the box looks like. The bath bomb caught my eye first. It looks like it's inspired by the Little Mermaid. It's entitled Sea Witch. Oh my gosh. I can kind of smell through it. It has like a really sweet mixed with like lavender scent. I really like Fortune Cookie Soap's bath bombs because I do think they're very similar to Lush's bath bombs. The bath bombs, you know, when you toss them into your tub, it fizzes up, gets all nice and soapy, just soak in after a long day of work, or, you know, it's a spa day for the weekend and you're all just nice and silky smooth. Really excited for this product. I'm pretty sure each subscription box comes with a bath bomb, so that's a really good idea, because a bath bomb at Lush, for instance, costs up to like $8, where you spend $20 more and you get all these products, so really good deal. The second product is the Mistress of All Evil Body Frosting. I'm going to show the back too. And this is what the body frosting looks like. The first body frosting I tried was in the November subscription box. It was for their Christmas theme, and I really like these body frostings because they smell really good. I don't really know how to describe this smell. It smells like a Yankee Candle, but they are pretty solid. As you can tell, they're pretty solid. It's not like lotion where it just, you know, just dips in. And it applies really nice onto your hand. It looks a little greasy, but it doesn't have like that greasy feel to it. It feels really moisturizing. I probably should have done it on my right hand because it's really chapped right now, but it's just really soft, silky smooth, moisturizing, and it goes right in your skin. You don't see it just, you know, chilling on top, not absorbing. So it just blends really nice into the skin. So I'm a huge fan of these. These will last you forever because you're not like really scooping out product. As you saw when I was swirling it, it stayed pretty solid, and then you just apply. So really love these products by Fortune Cookie Soap. The next product is Shadow Man Whip Soap, and this is what it looks like. Alright, and I'll show you the back as well. I have not tried one of their whip soaps before. This is a product that is new for me. So let's open it up. Ooh, it kind of has like a creamy smell to it. Like, it reminds me of like those creamsicles. It looks like a lot of fun. It just looks like, you know, like your typical body gel, but it looks thicker. is the word that I'm looking for. A little bit more full than your average gel, where the gels are very anhydrous and thin, whereas this is pretty thick. I feel like for something like this, a little could go a long way, where as a gel, as it bubbles up, you kind of need a little bit more just to get through your whole body, but I feel like with this, a little will go a long way. That's just my idea. Like I said, I have not tried the whip soaps before. I'm really excited to give them a try and just see how these work out, because this seems pretty promising to me. I'm really picky about my soaps. The normal soap that I use either like a bar soap from Lush, or I use like the Bath & Body Works gels. So trying something new, incorporating into my shower routine would be pretty fun, just to change it up. And whipped soap, that just sounds interesting. I haven't heard of a whipped soap before. I mean, whipped body butter, sure, but whipped soap. The next product is the Sorcery and Seduction Walnut Body Scrub. Oh, it is a body scrub. I am so excited. I am all about exfoliating. Like, you have no idea. I want to get that dirt, the dead skins, the oil, just bleh, all that off, because it's gross. And especially with having dry skin, it tends to flake. So I just want to get it off, and I want smooth, and I can just never achieve smooth because I'm just so dry. Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. Alright, we're going to take a little peek inside. Ooh, yes. Yes. I purchased very similar jars like this from TJ Maxx, where it pretty much is a soap where it just has some exfoliants inside. It works really well. It's not essentially like a whipped soap, but just your average shower gel, like a soft soap, or take Bath & Body Works and put like those little exfoliating beads inside. It smells really good. I can never describe scents at all. It's just like, I just want to eat it to get to get a scent. But it does have like a lavender sugary scent to it. And I kind of wish this came in a bigger jar, because I'm going to go through this really fast just because I exfoliate every day in the shower on my face. We'll see how it works out. Especially now that it's wintertime, exfoliating is even more important because you want to turn over your cells even faster. So definitely excited for this one. So far, all these 4 products have been a win for me. And just to reinforce, $28. Alright, what's inside? Oh, Griffin will like this one, if I can get it open. This is the Briar Rose Pillow Spray. I really love pillow sprays. You had just gotten ready for bed and you're just laying down, chilling, and it's just always nice just to your pillows and just face plant, knock out, and go to bed. Ooh, yeah, it has like obviously it has like a rose smell. I feel like if you sprayed 2 sprays on your pillow, one on the left, one on the right, will give you enough smell for your pillow because of like the deliverance of the spray. Like the sprayability went really well. The next product is the Glass Slipper Exfoliating Foot Stick. Maybe this should be for Griffin. He has some nasty feet. Ow. Ew. This looks interesting. I honestly thought it was going to be deodorant when I first opened it. I'm just like, what is this? It smells like a walnut or an almond or pistachios. It just smells like nuts. Anyway, I have really soft feet, so I think for me this might be a little too harsh on my feet. So I do want to give it a try because sometimes your feet does get really rank when you wear flip-flops, but it's not flip-flop season right now. So I do want to give it a shot, but I feel like Griffin will get a better use out of it. Sorry, Boo, I don't mean to be like ripping into you, but I think it'll help his I think it'll really help, you know, exfoliate the stink out, and he has really sweaty feet, so that probably contributes to a lot of it. So I kind of want to let him try out this product for, you know, a couple of weeks just to see if anything improves. And since I do the laundry, I will know if if there is an improvement. Bae might get to try a product. I don't share my products often, so he should feel special. The last product is the Part of Your World Sea Salt Hair Spritz. This is supposed to create texture, so like it's probably like a sea salt spray where you just add in your hair. It's definitely for the summertime and get like those beachy waves look. Part of me really doesn't like sea salt sprays just because like I like that salty feeling you get from after being at the beach, but my hair gets like really hard and it crimps together. It's a mess. Like, I literally have to shampoo twice because of just how disgusting my hair feels after being in the ocean. Like, it's like I love that feeling, but then I hate it. Like, especially, I have broken a few brushes from brushing my hair. Like, it's like the Princess Diaries where you, like, brush your hair and it breaks off because of just how disgusting it is. But I love the ocean, so it's just the price I have to pay. This might not be as harsh, so I don't know. I could probably just use it if I'm going for like a wavy look or like a curly look. Alright, so this concludes this Fortune Cookie Soap unboxing for January 2018. Overall, I am really pleased with all of the products. You know, I think for $28, this was definitely a good view. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate your love and support. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel below. Leave a comment on what your favorite product was, or if you've used any of these products, and if you have any tips and tricks on how to use them. Also, if you have used any Fortune Cookie Soap products, make sure to leave them in the comments below for any recommendations, because I am a huge fan. I am always, you know, I say it all the time. I love trying new products. I'm always out there to try to find a holy grail product, especially if it's Fortune Cookie Soap. I want to know. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and stay tuned for the February 2018.